Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the BAVIN PC1233 Power Bank with 3C certification, guaranteeing top quality and safety for users. With 130 watts fast charging, you can charge all day long with its 20,000 mAh capacity, featuring an advanced LED display. It has a built-in fast charging cables with Type-C and USB ports, can fully charge up to 3 devices simultaneously, highly compatible with laptops, experience fast charging and work anytime. Use the cable as a lanyard and attach it to your bag. Bring it anywhere. Made from high-quality materials, BAVIN PC1233 Power Bank. Get yours now.